So because we have already, as usual, we have limited time, right? So others, let your friends can join later. No problem. We'll start the class immediately, okay? Without wasting any time. So today, I told you, so far we are discussing the topic called coordinate geometry. Already I told that this is important for your 12th standard and also it is important for your JEE main examination. So, and also one more thing I mentioned that this is one of the most weightage topic in JEE and other entrance examinations because you all preparing. I told you earlier in the beginning of this course, I told you you are all called as JEE aspirants. So since you are a JEE aspirant, this topic is one of the very, very important and most weightage topic is coordinate geometry. So very soon we are going to finish this topic. So far we have discussed starting from the points and straight lines. We have discussed the circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Today also we are going to discuss the same coordinate geometry, but this is called a combined conics, the problem which is involved in combined conics. Okay, combined conics means starts from circle to hyperbola, the combinations of all the things we are going to solve. So before going to discuss that combined conics, still we have some more important problems pending in your hyperbola. Okay, please take down one of the most important. Let the others can join. This is one of the very fine important problem. 10 minutes later on அதை போடலாமா சரிங்களா ஏன்னா அது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் ஹைப்பர்போலா அதுக்கு முன்னாடி வேற ஒரு ப்ராப்ளத்தை போட்டுறேன் வந்துறாங்களா பார்க்கலாம் நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஓகேவா ப்ளீஸ் டேக் டவுன் தட் ப்ராப்ளம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் ஒரு சிம்பிள் ப்ராப்ளம் முதல்ல போட்டுறேன் Okay, a hyperbola having the transverse axis of length √2, having the transverse axis of length √2, and as the same foci as that of the ellipse. So you have to be listen carefully here. Okay, here I told you this is called a combined. Now hyperbola is a problem. Later on we'll discuss. Because that is one of the very important problem where the possibilities for this year. அதனால இந்த கொஸ்டினை முதல்ல போட்டுருவோம் அதுக்கப்புறம் அதை டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம் பாருங்க a hyperbola having the transverse axis of length √2. Okay, are you all listening? Please, I want hear your voice. That's why I'm asking you. You all listening? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
You people, yes, students. Thank you very good, ma. Thank you very much. Very good. As the foci, same foci as that of the ellipse, 3x square plus 4y squared is equals to 3x square plus 4y squared is equals to 12. Okay. Then this hyperbola does not pass through the which of the following points? Take down the points. 1 comma minus 1 by √2, 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2, and the second option 1 by √2 comma 0 minus √3 by 2 comma 1 minus √3 by 2 comma 1. These are the 4 points are given. So this type of problems we have to use the options and you have to select the correct answer. அப்ப எனக்கு ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சாதான் இப்படிப்பட்ட क्वेश्चनக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியும் பாருங்க இங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்க does not pass through. அப்போ out of 4 3 points pass through the hyperbola. Our aim is to find out what is the equation of the hyperbola. The things are given here. The length of the transverse axis, first data, your 2b is equals to √2. Your 2b is equals to root 2. Is it right? The next one is given that the foci as that of the ellipse. Upon the ellipse equation, 3x square plus 4y squared equals to 12. Dividing throughout by 12, we'll get x square by 4 plus y square by 3 is equals to 1. So both the foci are same. So that I have to find out the foci of the ellipse. This is all about ellipse. Ellipse in heading putting. What is the foci formula? Plus or minus AE equal to 0. Now your A squared is equals to 4. From this we can take A is equals to 2 and your B square is equals to 3. I want to find out E. Eccentricity for ellipse is 1 minus B square by A square. 1 minus B square by A square. Therefore we'll get 1 minus 3 divided by 4. Square root of 1 by 4 which is equals to 1 by 2. So this is called the eccentricity of the ellipse. Now you found out the foci of the ellipse. Foci AE. Your AE is equals to 2 into 1 by 2. 2 to cancel 1. Therefore the foci of the ellipse, we can write this as plus or minus 1, 0. கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சா பாருங்க இந்த foci தான் hyperbola. இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன், let the hyperbola be. What is the standard form of hyperbola? Can anyone? X square by A square minus y square by B square is equals to 1. Isn't it? So we have x square by A square minus y square by B square equals to 1. What is A square? I don't know. What is B square? This is the thing I am going to find out here. Only thing is given that 2b is equals to root 2. From this I can say b is equals to 1 by root 2. Your b is equals to 1 by root 2. Correctங்களா? இதுல இருந்து நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிச்சு. Sorry, transverse axis கொடுத்துருக்காமா, not conjugate. Sorry, mention. Please change that. Conjugate means transverse means 2a. Therefore, a is equals to 1 by root 2. Now I can say a squared is equals to 1 by 2. Now only thing I have to find out b square. Now your foci for this also we have plus or minus AE, 0. That is equal to the foci of the ellipse. So according to the problem, it was given that the foci of the ellipse and the foci of the hyperbola are same. Now you compare this with these two things. AE is equals to 1. Okay, AE is equals to 1. Your A is equals to 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. From this, we can say this is equals to 1 by root 2 E. E is equals to root 2. இது வந்து தெரிஞ்சு போச்சு. E is equals to root 2 சொன்னா அது பேரு rectangular hyperbola. நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லல, பெரும்பான்மை கேட்க மாட்டான் most of the times. இல்லையா? 99% rectangular hyperbola வந்து ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வருது தமிழ். இருந்தாலும் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். அதனுடைய ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் எப்படி இருக்கும்னா xy சைடுல போட்டுங்க. xy is equals to c square. நான் அப்புறமா சொல்லி தரேன் லாஸ்ட்ல. ஓகேங்களா? ரெக்டாங்குலர் ஹைப்பர்போலாக்கு ஜஸ்ட் அதனுடைய இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன் மட்டும் கொடுத்துட்டு போயிடலாம். xy is equals to c square or x square minus y square is equals to a square. Here the eccentricity is root 2. நான் ஏற்கனவே இதை மென்ஷன் பண்ணிட்டேன். When the eccentricity is root 2, then it is said to be a rectangular hyperbola. Anyway, இது நீங்க தெரிஞ்சு வச்சுங்க. E equals to root 2. இப்போ இது வந்து b ஸ்கொயரை கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். b square equals to a square. சில பேர் தப்பா போட்டுருவார். e square minus 1 தான் applicable for hyperbola. 1 minus e square is apt for ellipse. Now your a square 1 by 2 into e square 2 minus 1 1. Your b square is also 1 by 2. Substitute in the standard equation. We'll get x square by 1 by 2 minus y square by 1 by 2 is equals to 1. So you can breaking reciprocal. We'll get 2x square minus 2y square is equals to 1. Okay, 2x square minus 2y square is equals to 1. Isn't it? So we have x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. So which is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, 2x square minus 2y square is equals to 1. இப்போ இந்த பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வந்து சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ண இதுதான் ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆஃப் த ஹைப்பர்போலா ரிக்வயர்ட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட் எடுக்கிறீங்க 1 ஸ்கொயர் இஸ் 1 ரைட்டுங்களா? 2 மைனஸ் y ஸ்கொயர் 1 by root 2 ஸ்கொயர் which is equals to 1 by 2. அப்போ மேன்ஸ் கேன்சல் ஆச்சுன்னா -1 which is equals to 1. It satisfies. இது வராது. அப்போ ஆப்ஷன் இது கிடையாது. செகண்ட் ஆப்ஷன் √3 by 2. √3 by 2 ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணா 2 into 3 by 4. 2 into 3 by 4 minus y is 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 4 இல்லையா? அப்போ 2 வந்து இதுல 2 times போகும், இதுல வந்து 2 வந்து இதுல 2 times போகும். Therefore this is also equals to 1. So this is also passes through this hyperbola. Next one, 1 by root 2 comma 0, 2 into 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 square பண்ணா 2, 2 minus 0 which is equals to 1. This is also satisfied. The last one தான் probably அதுதான். ஒண்ணா செக் வெரிஃபை பண்ணி பாருங்க. 2 into minus root 3 by 2, minus root 3 by 2 square பண்ணா 3 by 4, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 which is equals to 2 times போகும் 3 minus 1 by 2. Therefore it does not satisfy, it does not pass us through. Therefore option 4 is the right answer. இது மூணுமே வராது. அப்போ fourth option is the right answer. இப்படிதான் போடும். Any doubt? புரியுதுங்களா? ஒன்லி திங் இங்க என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா முக்கியமான ஒரு கண்டிஷன், the foci of the ellipse and the foci of the hyperbola are equal. Again I'll repeat this. First of all, what are the data are given according to the problem. இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்துல இருந்து எனக்கு தெரிய விஷயங்கள் என்னன்னா, first transverse axis of the hyperbola கொடுக்குறாங்க. Usually the general standard equation of a hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. So here the length of transverse axis is given, that is called 2a, which is equals to 1 by 2. 1 is equals to root 2. Therefore I can say a is equals to 1 by root 2 or a squared is equals to 1 by 2. அப்போ எனக்கு b square தரணும். The remaining data என்ன கொடுக்குறாங்க, எலிப்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க. அந்த எலிப்ஸ் வந்து போக்கை கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். எப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா x square by a square minus plus y square by b square equals to 1. From this your a square equals to 4 and b square equals to 3. From this we have derived a is equals to 2 and a is கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம் 1 by 2 and a is equals to 1. Therefore I can say the foci is plus or minus 1 comma 0. Okay, the foci is what? Plus or minus 1 comma 0. You are comparing, we will get a is equals to 1. From this e is equals to root 2. E கண்டுபிடிச்சா b square ஈஸியா கண்டுபிடிச்சலாம். The formula is a square into e square minus 1. From that b square கண்டுபிடிச்சா 1. Equation of standard equation of hyperbola பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the equation becomes 2x square minus 2y square. This is the required equation of hyperbola. Now substitute each point given in the options. ஒவ்வொரு பாயிண்டா எடுத்து டெஸ்ட் பண்ணி பாருங்க. லாஸ்டா இருக்கிற ஆப்ஷன் மட்டும் satisfy ஆகும். Therefore that is the answer. Please take note. அடுத்தது, check down the next problem. If E1 and E2, if E1 and E2, if E1 and E2, if E1 and E2, if E1 and E2 are the eccentricities of the ellipse, or the eccentricities of the ellipse, or the eccentricities of the ellipse, x square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equals to 1. And it's and the hyperbola x square by 9 minus y square by 16, 4 is equals to 1, respectively. And E1 comma E2 and E1 comma E2 lies on 15x square plus 15y square is equals to k. Then the value of k is, okay, then the value of k is, please listen carefully. நல்லா கவனிச்சிங்க. மறுபடியும் நான் கொஸ்டினை சொல்றேன். If E1 and E2 are the eccentricities of the ellipse x square by 18. Sorry. Change this. Now, after problem, 18, 4. And the hyperbola x square by 9 minus y square by 4 equals to 1, respectively. And E1, E2 is a point on the ellipse, 15x square plus 15y squared is equals to k. Then what is the value of k? So E1 is the eccentricity of ellipse, E2 is the eccentricity of the hyperbola. From this, we can able to find out what is eccentricity E1. For E1 is the ellipse. Please take down, this is called ellipse. This is called hyperbola. So from this, we can get a square equals to 18, b square equals to 4, a square equals to 9, b square equals to 4. Your E is equals to square root of 1 minus, in the formula another b square by a square, 4 by 18. So 18 minus 4, which is equals to 14, 14 by 18, we can have 7 by 9. Square root of 9 is 3. I can write this as root 7 divided by 3. Okay. The next one is same thing. The formula for Mardo. It was the first one, eccentricity 1. In the hyperbola, E2. I already mentioned your problem. Now the formula for anyone. What is the eccentricity formula? What is the formula to find out the eccentricity for hyperbola? Can anyone please? Akshaya, Manuel, Yogeshwar, anybody? Anyone is there? Srivardhani? இருக்கீங்களா? சொல்லுங்கப்பா. சொல்லுங்க, what is the formula to find out this? Eccentricity for hyperbola க்கு என்ன formula? சச்சின் இருக்கீங்க, சொல்லலாமே. அசோக் குமார், என்னப்பா?
root of 1 minus b square by a square.
கரெக்ட். அப்ப இதுவும் ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கு. root of 1 plus b square by a square. ஆமா, 1 plus a square இல்லையா? root of 1 plus b square. கேக்குதுங்களா? Is it right, தம்பி?
Yes, sir.
1 plus b square by a square, which is equals to 1 plus 4 divided by 9. Correct? Which is equals to 4 divided by 9. 9 points are 9. 9 plus 4. Okay, which is equals to 9 plus 4, 13. 13 divided by 9. I can write this as root 13 divided by 3. Now we have found out E1, E2 is equals to E1 is root 7 by 3 and E2 is root 13 by 3. Yeah. So E1 is root 7 by 3 and E2 is root 13 by 3. Now listen here. By 3, which is equals to root 13 by 3. So which is equals to passes through the point root 7, root 13 by 3. இல்லையா? இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல நீங்க பார்க்க வேண்டிய விஷயம் இந்த பாயிண்ட் E1, E2 passes through that one. இல்லையா? அப்போ root 7 by 3, root 13 by 3 passes, அதான் சொல்றாங்க. It lies on the ellipse. இல்லையா? இப்போ it passes through or lies on there, lies on what ellipse? 15x square plus 15y square is equals to k. Now you substitute 15 into x square. இதுதான் x க்கு பதிலா root 7, 7 divided by 9 plus 15 into root 13, 13 divided by 9 is equals to k. So from this your k is equals to take LCM 9. 15 7s are, 15 7s are, we'll get 105. Correct? So which is equals to 7 15s are. 15 into 7, 7 5s are 35, 3, 7 ones are 7, 105. And similarly, 15 into 13, 13 5s are 65, 6, 195. Okay, which is equals to 195. Sorry, 15x square plus 3y square. They say 3y square. 3y square. Our 3 into 13, which is equals to 39. Our 9 5s are 14, 4, 1. 144, 9, which is equals to 16. Therefore, your k value is equals to 16. Please take down. Please take note. The next problem. Okay, can we go to the next one, please?
Yes, sir.
So take down the next problem. Next problem. The next one. Next one. Okay, we'll proceed now. Take down the next problem. The locus of the point of intersection. Can you able to hear my voice? Please. There is some
Yes,
problem with the Bluetooth. Right, but thank you. The locus of the point of intersection of the lines root 3 kx plus ky minus 4 root 3 is equals to 0. Root 3 into kx plus ky minus 4 root 3 equal to 0. And root 3 x minus y minus 4 root 3 k is equals to 0. Is a conic whose eccentricity is circular. Circle is also a conic. Rectangular parabolic. But it is given that the locus of the point of intersection of these two lines is a conic. Then what is the eccentricity? First of all, we have to find out which type of conic it is. It is belongs to a conic. It belongs to a parabola, ellipse, or hyperbola. First year. How to find out this intersection of this? Now, in the first equation, I am just separating k. Because the k of common, what we get root 3x plus y. In the 4 root 3, therefore 4 plus 4 root 3. Now you can write this as this. We can take k value 4 root 3. I'm just eliminating k from this first equation, first line. We'll get root 3x plus y. In the same way, if we proceed the second line, keep k constant, 4 root 3. Yeah, you can bring this side, that is root 3x minus y is equals to 4 root 3. From this, eliminate k. We can finding it the k value. You have found the k is equals to root 3x minus y divided by 4 root 3. So let us take this as first equation. Let us take this as second equation. It is given that the locus of the point of intersection, we have found out the constant k. From 1 and 2, we have values of k are same. Comparing this to 1 and 2, we get 4 root 3. divided by root 3x plus y is equals to root 3x minus y divided by 4 root 3. You cross multiply 4 root 3, that is 16 into 3. Yeah. Then root 3x a plus b into a minus b. Squaring of root 3x, we'll get 3x square. Squaring of y, we'll get y square. So therefore, we'll get the equation is 3x square minus y square is equals to 48. Dividing throughout by 48. Always the right hand should be 1 for both ellipse and hyperbola. Chance square. Any one square means then it is hyperbola, the parabola. Or there is a possibility for circle. The circle the chance x is the y is and also the coefficient of x square and y square are equal for circle. இதெல்லாம் properties, the small tips. இதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சா very simple and easy. So அதனால you have to put some work effort here. Okay, 48. Our x square divided by 16 minus y square by 48 is equals to what? Can anyone tell me what type this is? Which conic it is? This is of the form x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. Enapa?
Hyperbola, sir.
Very good. Hyperbola. Our hyperbola would eccentricity enna soludhu? Your e is equals to 1 plus b square by a square. Your a square is equals to 16. Your b square is equals to 48. Therefore, 1 plus your a square is equals to 16. Your b square is equals to 48. Square root of 48 plus 16, which is equals to 64. Yeah. So 48 plus 64. Therefore, 64 divided by 48. Okay, now 64 வந்து 16 ல 4 times போகும். இது வந்து 3 times போகும். Isn't it? So we have okay. So what we'll get? We have e is equals to 2 divided by 2. That is the answer. Please take note. So the answer for the eccentricity of this given conic is 2 by 2. We'll move to the next problem. So now show me here. Problems. The following 2 problems are very important. Please listen carefully. Okay. Sachin, Manuel, Shreya, Srivardhani,
Sir,
immediately response.
sir, உங்க வாய்ஸ் லைட்டா பிரேக் ஆவற மாதிரி இருக்கு. கிளியரா கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது சார்.
Okay, yeah, hyperbola. What's this through the foci? Voice clear, huh? Girls,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
the hyperbola passes through the foci of the ellipse. Very interesting. Please listen. Expected question for this year. So exclusively for JE aspirants, the students, those who are preparing for all the entrance examinations, engineering entrance examination, prepare பண்ணிங்கன்னா இப்படிப்பட்ட questions கண்டிப்பா கேட்பாங்க. Hyperbola passes through the foci. Hyperbola passes through the foci of the ellipse. An hyperbola passes through the foci of an ellipse. X square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equals to 1. Is equals to 1. And its transverse and conjugate axis. And its transverse and conjugate axis coincides with the major and minor axis. And its transverse and the conjugate axis coincide with major and minor axis of the ellipse respectively. If the product of these eccentricities is 1, if the product of these eccentricities is 1, then the equation of the hyperbola is very interesting. So this is the combination of hyperbola and ellipse. So we are going to use both the properties here. Okay, we are both the properties here.
Sir,
Hyperbola, yes, sir.
sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Okay. Now it's clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So hyperbola passes through the foci of the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 16. Square by 25 plus y square by 16 plus y square by 16. Okay, 25 plus y square by 16. And its transverse and conjugate axis coincide with major and minor axis of the ellipse respectively. If the product of this eccentricity is 1, then the equation of the hyperbola. Now listen here, when you clear there is a parabola and ellipse. Yeah, both this major axis and minor axis are coincide with both the transverse and conjugate. அப்போ ரெண்டுமே ஒரே மாதிரி தான். இப்போ ஒரே ஆக்சிஸ்ல ஒரே இதுல வந்து என்ன பண்றேன், பாராபோலாவும் வரைகிறேன், சாரி ஹைப்பர்போலாவும் வரைகிறேன். என்ன சொல்லிட்டா, both this ellipse உடைய focus வந்து lies on the hyperbola. Hyperbola passes through the foci of the ellipse. What is the foci of the ellipse? One foci வச்சுங்க, AE, 0. இது வந்து minus AE, 0. And நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், இந்த பாயிண்ட் AE, 0 நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சலாம். இல்லையா? So எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்பீங்க? From this ellipse is given that A square is equals to 25 and B square is equals to 16. Yeah, A square is equals to 25 and B square is equals to 16. இப்போ பாருங்க, இது கொடுத்தாச்சு இல்லையா? இப்போ எல்லாம் E கண்டுபிடிங்க. E is equals to square root of 1 minus B square by A square. Therefore, 1 minus 16 by 25. 9 by 25, which is equals to 3 by 5. Your A is 5. Then you can get A is equals to 5 into 3 by 5. I can get 3. Therefore, the foci of the ellipse are 3, 0 and minus 3, 0. We can say S is 3, 0 and S dash is minus 3, 0. Yeah. So S of 3, 0 and S dash of minus 3, 0. So this is called the foci of the ellipse 3, 0 and minus 3, 0. Now listen carefully. இப்போ ரெண்டு கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ அல்பாவோடைய எசென்ட்ரிசிட்டியும் எலிப்ஸோட எசென்ட்ரிசிட்டியோட ப்ராடக்ட் தான். இப்போ நான் ஏற்கனவே கண்டுபிடிச்சேன் இதுதான் ellipsoid eccentricity, that is called 3/4. I am taking that as 3/5. And E2 is called, I don't know what is that. That is called the eccentricity of the hyperbola. The product of this is given that 1. E1 into E2 is equals to 1. We know that E1 is equals to 3/5. E2 is equals to 1. Your E2 is equals to 5/3. That is called the eccentricity of the hyperbola. எனக்கு a square of the hyperbola, b square of the hyperbola. இப்போ eccentricity of the hyperbola தெரியும் 5/3. இல்லையா? Eccentricity of the hyperbola என்னது 5/3. And also இப்போ standard equation of hyperbola என்ன இருக்கும்? X square by a square minus y square by b square is equals to 1. This is the equation of the hyperbola. In the hyperbola எந்த பாயிண்ட்ல பாஸ் ஆகுது? Foci of the ellipse. Foci of the ellipse 3, 0. Foci of the ellipse means what? 3, 0. Correct? The eccentricity கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு 5/3 சொல்லி. இல்லையா? Foci of the ellipse 3, 0. அப்ப இத சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணினா x க்கு பதிலா 3 square 9 minus a square, y க்கு பதிலா 0 whole part 0. From this we get a square is equals to 9. But directly a square கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு because the foci of the ellipse passes through the hyperbola. Hyperbola equation x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. Substituting we get a square equals to 1. Now I have to find out b square. The b square is equals to a square into e square minus 1 for hyperbola. Your a square is 9. Your e2, that is called the hyperbola eccentricity. Squaring will get 25 by 9 minus 1, which is equals to 9 into 25 minus 9, 16 by 9. 9 cancel. Answer is 16. Okay, our a square can be b square. Question equation of the hyperbola. Substitute to the required equation of the hyperbola. The standard form of the hyperbola. Here I can write this as x squared by 69 minus y square by 16 equals to 1. This is the answer. Once again, I repeat the question, but also I will say the solution. Okay, please listen here. The question here is the hyperbola passes through the foci of the ellipse x squared by 25 plus y squared by 9 equals to 1. So, and also the transverse axis and alternate axis of the hyperbola and the major and minor axis of the hyperbola ellipse are coincide each other. Okay, then if this product of the eccentricity is 1, then find the equation of the hyperbola. So, ellipse is given. From that we can find out the eccentricity. Using the given ellipse, we have found out that a square is equal to 25 and b square equal to 16. Using the eccentricity formula, we get the eccentricity of the ellipse is 3/5. And from this, we can be able to find out the foci. The foci of the ellipse is what? AE, 0 minus AE, 0. Your A is multiplied by E. 5 into 3/5, which is equal to 3. So therefore, we have the foci of the ellipse 3, 0 and minus 3, 0. This is passes to the hyperbola. The standard equation of the hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. This 3.0 passes to the hyperbola. Substituting will get a square equals to 9. On the other hand, the product of the eccentricity of the ellipse and the product of the hyperbola equals to 1. I'm taking E1 as eccentricity of the parabola ellipse now, E2 eccentricity of the hyperbola. E1, E2 equals to 1. Your E1 is equals to 3/5. Using this, we'll get E2 is equals to 5/3. Eccentricity of the hyperbola. A square and 3 easier b square conversion. A square into E square minus 1. I can write this as 9 into 25 by 9 minus 1, which is equal to 16. Knowing the value of A square and B square in the standard form, we get x square by 9 minus y square by 16 equals to 1. Please take out. Please take out.
Sir, sir.
You know?
Yes sir. A எப்பவுமே B ஓட greater தானே sir இருக்கும்.
எங்கம்மா? அந்த only condition that is given but for ellipse. புரியுதா? A greater than axis for measurement by the axis. We have to take A as a greater and only applicable for ellipse, not for hyperbola. Hyperbola the condition that is measured by the axis. Suppose x square by a square minus y square by b square equals 1. This is parallel to transverse axis. Whenever the y-axis is parallel to conjugate axis, we have to write y square by b square minus x square by a square equals 1. The one we problem put later on. அது a square b square greater than for ellipse. Only for hyperbola. Only for ellipse. We have to take which one is bigger. We have to take that as a. புரியுதுங்களா? ellipse கண்டிப்பா a square ஒரு மாறி வந்துருச்சுங்க 1625. You have to take a square as 25. The axis has changed. Here it is a vertical ellipse. That is not an ellipse. Now mathematical ellipse.
Yes sir.
இந்த சமயம் அப்படி கொண்டே போகக்கூடாது. லாஸ்ட் அப்படி குறைக்கணும். எக்ஸாம் டைம்ல பிரச்சனை ஆகும். அடுத்து சம்பளம். Very very important. இந்த சம்பளம் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். IIT எக்ஸாமினேஷன் வந்து JEE மெயின்லாம் அட்வான்ஸ் தான். அதான் IIT சொல்லுவாங்க. அப்படிப்பட்ட ஒரு எக்ஸாமினேஷன் அதாவது ஜீனியஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எக்ஸாம்ஸ் சரிங்களா? ஜீனியஸ் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் அப்படிப்பட்ட எக்ஸாமினேஷன் ரொம்ப ஈஸி தான். ஈஸியா ரொம்ப நீங்க கான்செப்ட் எல்லாம் புரிஞ்சுக்கிறீங்க இல்லையா? அதனால அந்த சம்பளம்
சார்
ஈஸி தான். நான் சொல்லுவோம்.
உங்க வாய்ஸ் கிளியராவே இல்ல சார்.
இப்ப கேக்குதுங்களா?
இப்போ ஓகே சார்.
Next one. Let P of 3 secant theta. The next problem. Let P of 3 secant theta. Next problem. Let P of 3 secant theta. 3 secant theta. Come on. 2 tan theta. 3 secant theta, come on. 2 tan theta. And the Q of 3 secant pi. Come on. 2 tan pi. 2 tan pi. So listen carefully. This is a parametric form. Where theta plus pi is equals to pi by 2. Theta plus pi is equals to pi by 2. Be two distinct points. Be two distinct points on the hyperbola. Be distinct points on the hyperbola. X square by 9 minus y square by 4 is equals to 1. Then the ordinate of the point of intersection of the normals. Then the ordinate of the point of intersection of the normals at P and Q. At P and Q. At P and Q. So if we have a hyperbola, so this is called an hyperbola. So there are 2 points. Now, 2 points said to be P of secant theta and 2 tan theta. And another point is called 3 secant theta plus theta. Points on the hyperbola. Then the coordinate of the point of intersection of the normals at P and Q. Suppose in the point of the P point P of 3 secant theta, comma 2 tan theta. Similarly, normal can write this as, yeah, இது வந்து tangent. அதே போல இன்னொரு tangent வெச்சா இது வந்து q of 3 sequence pi, 2 tan pi இது வெச்சீங்க. இப்போ இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் perpendicular இருந்தா நார்மல். சரிங்களா? அதே போல இந்த லைனுக்கு ஒரு perpendicular இருந்தா நார்மல். இது நார்மலா வரும். இங்க ஒரு பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் இன்டர்செக்ஷன் வருது இல்லையா? let us take this as r. அந்த பாயிண்ட் எல்லாம் கண்டுபிடி. இப்போ these two lines are called as normal of these points. இல்லையா? normal to this point. இப்போ நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எடுத்தோனே r of h, k னு ஒரு பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு. that is called the point of intersection. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணிட்டானா only ordinate தான் y value. சரிங்களா? abscissa தான் x value. Please remember this again and again insisting that. இந்த ஒரு synopsis உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும்னா இந்த ஒரு வார்த்தைக்கு அர்த்தம் பண்ணா one problem. Ordinate means you have to find out the y value. I hope everybody knows that. Yeah. So everyone knows that. Okay, next one. Let r of h, k be the point of intersection of the normals at p and q. Don't forget that. That is the thing. அப்ப இந்த k உடைய வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிச்சா something is wrong. We have to find out k. So can anyone tell me what is the equation of the normal in the hyperbola at x1, y1? The formula is given, the concept given in the last class. Yeah, last கடைசி class the marathon class the formula is called time இல்ல நீங்க தயவு செய்து recall பண்ணுங்க. a square x by x1 b square y by y1 is equals to a square plus b square. This is the formula. Okay, a square by x by x1 y square. இப்போ ஒவ்வொருத்துக்கும் p point equation of normal at p. What is your p point? Is 3 secant theta, 2 tan theta. Wherever x1 comes, you put 3 secant theta. Wherever y1 comes, you put 2 tan theta. Your a square x by 3 secant theta. Your a square is equals to, from this a square 9, your b square is equals to 4. Substitute 9x by 3 secant theta plus 4y by 2 tan theta is equals to 1. Okay, so which is equals to 1. 9 வந்து 3 times 4, 4 வந்து 2 times 4, 3. 1 by secant theta can witness cos theta into x. 1 by tan theta can witness cot theta. 2 cot theta y equals to 1. Take this as equation 1. Similarly, equation of normal at q of 3 secant pi plus 2 tan pi. Substitute the value here. A square, that is called 9x divided by 3 secant pi plus b square, which is equals to b by a value 4 y divided by 2 tan pi, which is equals to 1. Sorry, which is equals to a square plus b square. A square is 9, 9 plus 2, 13. இங்கே அதே போல 9 plus 2, 13. Now you simplify 3 2 times. 1 by secant, we can find this as cos pi x. 1 by tan cot pi y is equals to 30. But it is given that theta plus pi equals to pi by 2. அதனால pi எப்படி போலாம்னா pi by 2 minus theta. அப்ப இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் எப்படி மாறும்? First please take down. Quick. First ரெண்டு ஸ்டெப் எழுதுங்க. Okay, but we will change that. Pi 2 again. Pi 2 minus pi 2. First step, I can change this as pi minus pi by 2. So you can write this as 3 into cos pi by 2 minus theta plus 2 into cot plus 2 into cot pi by 2 minus theta is equals to 13. We can write this as 3 cos pi by 2 minus theta, which is equals to sin theta. Cot pi by 2 minus theta tan theta is equals to 30. Take this as equation 2. Comparing the equation 1 and comparing the equation 2, this is called 30. Equation 1 and 2, right hand side 13. I can compare right hand side and left hand side. 3 cos theta plus 2 cot theta, 3 cos theta x plus 2 cot theta y is equals to 3 sin theta
plus 2 tan theta. Okay, so now x y சரிங்களா? இப்போ என்னது x and y சரிங்களா? ரெண்டுல இருந்தோம் x and y. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் பாத்தீங்கன்னா x, k ல இருக்கு இல்லையா? x, k ல நம்ம மாத்தணும். x, y ல வந்துச்சு இல்லையா? இப்போ x, k. So the point is at h, k. அப்போ at h, k, at the r of h, k ல தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கும். அப்போ this equation becomes 3 cos theta into h plus 2 cot theta into y becomes cot theta into k, 3 sin theta into h plus 2 tan theta into k. Because we have taken the point of the intersection is called r h, k. Which is equal to, we have to take h, k. In the equation h, k la மாறிடும். அப்ப h, k ஒரு equation முன்னாடியே கூட போட்டுக்கலாம். இப்போ அதை h தனியா எடுக்க போறீங்க, k போட்டுக்கலாம் இல்லையா? So therefore h, 3h is common. Then we have cos theta minus sin theta. Similarly, if you take this as left hand side, 2k is common. We'll have tan theta minus cot theta. We have tan theta minus cot theta. So in the which is equal to 2k into tan theta can be plus sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by sin theta. Take LCM 2k into sin square theta minus cos square theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Okay, va? Next step. Your 3h into cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 2k. This is of the form a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. Yeah. So we can write this as cos theta minus sin theta. இது எப்படி போடலாம்னா sin square theta minus cos square theta. Sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா cos theta minus sin theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. If I take minus common, this becomes sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta cos theta is cos theta minus sin theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Cos theta minus sin theta will get cancelled. ஒரு ரெண்டு பக்கம் ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கா? பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணா 3h is equal to minus 2k into sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. இன்னொரு கூட சொல்லலாம், இந்த h மட்டும் இங்க வச்சுட்டு இதை கீழே கொண்டு வந்தா we'll get minus 2k by 3 sin theta plus sin theta cos theta. h உடைய வேல்யூ இத தூக்கி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் இல்ல செகண்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் I'm just taking into the first equation. Yeah, first equation is equal to என்ன சொல்றேன், h, k மாத்தி ஈக்குவேஷன் முன்னாடியே மாத்திட்டீங்கன்னா ஈஸியா இருக்கும். அந்த இடத்துல வந்து h போடுங்க, at h, k போடுங்க, h, k h இது k. அதே போல இந்த இடத்துலயும் at h, k at h, k this becomes h, this becomes k. சரிங்களா? இது எல்லாமே h, k னா h, k, h, k. So for first equation எப்படி your h value is equal to minus 2 3h value. Yeah, so we can write this as 3h. h value we'll get 3 into cos theta into h. What is h value? Minus 2k by 3 into sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. This is called the h value. Plus next one 2 cot theta into k. Our aim is to find out what is cot theta. Sorry, x k value. What is k value? This there. Because about minus k, whether I cancel, so we can cancel 3 cancel. If I know cos theta cancel, we have minus 2k into sin theta by sin theta, which is equal to 1. After minus 2k into sin theta. Sorry, cos theta by sin theta, which is equal to tan theta. Okay, now minus 2k tan theta plus 2 cot theta into k. Minus 2k, sorry, cos theta by sin theta, cot theta. Plus அதே போல 2k cot theta is equal to 13. Plus 2k minus 2k cot theta is equal to cancel. minus 2k is equals to 13. Therefore, k is equals to minus 13. This is called the ordinate. Your ordinate of this point, ordinate of R is minus 13. Right? That is that. K கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு h கண்டுபிடிக்க அவசியம் இல்லை. Only find out the ordinate. This statement. Not very important. Point of points. The rent point of police or iPhone intersect at one point. Please listen. That point is already the name of particle is called R. I am taking R as x over k, the coordinate of the point of intersection of these two normals. First of all, you have to know what is the equation of the normal at x1, y1. Equation of the normal at x1, y1 is a square x by x1 plus b square y by y1 equal to a square plus b square. Here, I4 equation x square by 9 minus y square by 4. Here, a square equals to 9 and b square equals to 4. And point x1, y1 solita. Here, the x1, y1 first point p of 3 secant theta plus tan theta. The equation is substitute 3x by secant theta plus 2y by tan theta equals to 13. So 1 by secant theta cos theta, 1 by tan theta cot theta. You can write this as 3x cos theta plus 2y cot theta equals 13. And h comma k was replaced by h and k. The equation becomes 3x cos h cos theta h and plus 2y tan theta tan theta. Yeah, h x by h by k one. And equation 1. Next at 3 secant pi plus 2 tan pi, we get the equation 3x cos pi plus 2y cot pi equals 13. According to the problem, it was given that theta plus pi equals to pi by 2. Pi would have put pi by 2 minus theta. Wherever pi comes, you can put pi by 2 minus theta. The equation becomes 3x cos pi by 2 minus theta plus 2y cot pi by 2 minus theta. That becomes cos pi by 2 on the sin theta and cot pi by 2 minus theta tan theta 1. At h comma k, again the second equation becomes 3 sin theta h, 2 sin theta k equals 30. Comparing the equation 1 and 2, the right hand side are equal. Another left hand side compare we'll get 3h cos theta minus sin theta equals to 2 k tan theta minus cot theta. We are simplifying this. When we are simplifying, we'll get 2k sin theta minus cos theta. At last, we'll get h is equal to minus 2k sin theta plus cos theta by 3 sin theta cos theta. Substituting the very first equation, I will substitute over 3 cos theta h minus 2k by 3 sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta cos theta plus 2 cot theta k. Simplify minus 2k cot theta plus 2k cot theta equals 13. Both will get cancelled. We get minus 2k equals 13. From this, we get k is equals to minus 13. Please take note. That is the ordinate of R. More to the next one. The tangent at any extremity, the tangent at an extremity within bracket in the first point. The tangent in the first extremity in the first point of lattice vector of the hyperbola. Lattice vector of the hyperbola. X square by 4. X square by 4. So kindly adjust here power off. I'm just taking the class using the emergency. Right? Yeah. So therefore kindly cooperate. So maybe the brightness is little bit low for you. Kindly cooperate. Okay. Now take down the next problem. The tangent at extremity of lattice rectum of the hyperbola. Lattice rectum of the hyperbola x square by 4 minus y square by 5 is equals to 1. X square by 4 minus y square by 5 is 4. Means x-axis and y-axis. Means x-axis and y-axis at A and B respectively. At A and B respectively. Then OA square minus OB square then the value of OA square minus OB square, where O is the origin. Where O is the origin. So listen carefully. Again, I repeat the question. The tangent of extremity in the first quadrant of lattice spectrum of hyperbola x square by 4 minus y square by 5 equals to 1. Meet x-axis and y-axis at A and B respectively. Then OA square minus OB square, where O is the origin. Where O is the origin equals to. Now, first of all, you draw the diagram. Then it is very clear. So this is called your hyperbola. Okay. So the line which touches, and also says that this is a line which is a tangent which lies in the first quadrant, which is called that point. And the lattice rectum of the hyperbola. So lattice rectum means when it is passes through the focus, that is called lattice rectum. Okay. So this is called length of lattice rectum. In the tangent touch lattice rectum touch. Let us take this as L and L dash, extremities of lattice rectum. Yeah, parabola AE, hyperbola. Ellipse को hyperbola के कितने बड़े AE, B square by A formula पड़ी. That is the point of the tangent. That is called point of contact of the tangent. If a question is சொல்றேன்னா இதுதான் origin. X-axis meet பண்ணும்போது இந்த point A, இந்த point B. அப்போ I have to find out what is A and what is B. So from the hyperbola we can take A square is equals to 4 and B square is equals to 5. Yeah, A square is equals to 4 and B square is equals to 5. So yeah, or your A is equals to 2 and B is equals to root 5. Your E is equals to square root of this is hyperbola. Therefore, I can write 1 plus B square by A square, which is equals to root of 1 plus 5 by 4, 9 by 4, which is equals to 3 by 2. Now we can able to find out the point of contact of the tangent. Your point of contact of the tangent is P of, sorry, L of AE, B square. Your A is 2 and E is equals to 3 by 2, B square by A, your B square is 5, 5 by 2, 2 to cancel. Therefore, the L point is 3, 5 by 2. Your L point is 3, 2. Remember, a tangent which is passing through the point 3, 5 by 2. The tangent which is passing through the point 3, 5 by 2. Usually, equation of tangent at x1, y1. So, equation of tangent at x1, y1. Okay, x1 by A square plus y1 by B square, sorry, is equals to 1. X1 by A square minus not y1. Hyperbola is minus. At what point? The point is 3, 5 by 2. So x into 3 divided by A square 4 minus y into 5 by 2 divided by B square. B square equals to 5. In the 5 cancel equals to 1. We'll get 3x by 4 minus y by 2 equals to 1. So this is called the equation of tangent. Yeah, this is called the equation of tangent. Before, இதோடைய equation எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்னா ஏனா OA x intercept, OB y intercept. We are converting this equation into intercept form. The intercept form should be x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Then immediately I can say the x intercept is A and y intercept is B. அப்ப இது என்ன ஃபார்முலானா x 3x கீழ போட்டா 4 by 3. இங்க பிளஸ் தான் minus 1 கீழ போட்டா அதனால y divided by minus 2 equals to 1. This is of the form x by A plus y by B is equals to 1. The intercept form. From this we can say A is equals to 4 by 3 and B is equals to -2. கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? அதுதான் A அப்படின்னு சொன்னா இது வந்து OA, இது வந்து OB. So we have found out OA and OB. What is the answer? OA square minus OB square. OA square minus OB square is equals to OA square 4 by 3, that is equal 16 by 9, minus OB square, which is equals to 4. Take LCM 4. We'll get 16 minus 36, which is equals to minus 20 by 4. We have, sorry, 9. 16 by 36, which is equals to 9. We get minus 20 by 9. Therefore, the answer is minus 20 by 9. Please take the formula with just one. So again, I repeat, the tangent of the hyperbola having the Laplace vector at the point of contact, it passes through the Laplace vector. The extremities of the Laplace vector of hyperbola is AE comma B square by A. I am taking that M AE comma B square by A is the point of contact where the tangent passes through the point. And according to the given hyperbola, we have taken A square equals to 4, B square equals to 4, and finding out E is equals to 3 by 2. Sorry, yes, we get E is equals to 3 by 2. The point of contact is AE comma B square by A. Substituting, we'll get the point of contact is L of 3 comma 5 by 2. The equation of tangent of x1 comma y1 is x1 by A square minus y1 by B square equals to 1. The point of contact x1 is 3 and y1 is 5 by 2. Substituting, we get the equation is 3x by 4 minus 5 by 2 equals to 1. Because we want the value of OA and OB. We know that OA is a x-intercept and OB is a y-intercept. Therefore, the converting this into the form of intercept form. Therefore, I can write the equation in terms of x by a plus y by b equals to 1. We'll get the equation becomes x by 4b plus y by minus 3 equals to 1. Here, the x-intercept OA is equals to 4 by 3 and y-intercept OB is equals to minus 2. Now, OA square minus OB square. So OA is equals to 4 by 3 the whole square, 16 by 9, and OB square is equals to minus 2 whole square 4. Simplifying, we get minus 20 by 9. Please type out. So we'll move on to the next problem. Next problem. And it is. Also, to the summary of the hyperbola. And it is. Also, to the summary of the hyperbola. And it is also to the summary of the hyperbola. 9x square minus 4y square equals to 36. 9x square minus 4y square is equals to 36. 9x square minus 4y square is equals to 36. And its major and minor axis B. And its major and minor axis B. Almost another problem. Among the transverse and conjugate axis of the hyperbola respectively. If the product of eccentricities of the two conics is 1 by 2, if the product of the eccentricities of the two conics is 1 by 2, find the equation of x. What the equation of hyperbola? Here we are going to find out the equation of x. The equation of the hyperbola is given. So, both the transverse axis and major axis concave and minor axis are same, okay, which is coincide to each other. Then what is the equation of the ellipse? So from this is given that x square belongs to the passes to the foci of the ellipse. So foci of the hyperbola. Now I am going to find out the foci of the hyperbola. From this I can get x square by 4 minus y square by 9 equals to 1. Your a square is equals to 4, b square is equals to 9. Okay, so now we have to find out e here. Your e is equals to square root of 1 plus b square by a square, which is equals to 1 plus 9 by 4. We'll get the square root of 4 plus 1, 13 by 4. So we get 13 by 4. We can write this as 2 13 root 13 by 2. 2 13 by 4. So we get 9 by 4. Next one, we have to find out the foci. Your foci is AE, 0 and minus AE. One condition of AE. Above AE, 0. Your A is 2 into root 13 by 2, 0. 2 to cancel. We'll get root 13 by 0. This is nothing but the foci of the ellipse. Above E1 and 2. Eccentricity of the hyperbola. Now the standard equation of the ellipse is x squared by a square plus y squared by b squared equals to 1. It passes through the foci of the ellipse. Yeah, root 13, 0. X root 13 by a square is equals to 0 plus 0 equals to 1. A square equals to 13. Okay, and product of these two, E1 and E2, where E2 is called the eccentricity of the ellipse, which is equals to 1 by 2. Here we have eccentricity of the E1, yeah, which is equals to root 13 by 2. Root 13 by 2, which is equals to multiply by E2, 1 by 2, 2 to cancel. Your E2 is equals to 1 by square root of 13. 1 by square root of 13. Isn't it? Which is equals to 1 by square root of 13. This is called your E2. Your E2 is equals to 1 by root 13. It passes through the point, what was point? Sorry, x square and therefore your b square is equals to a square into e square minus 1, which is equals to a square is equals to 13 into 1 by 13 minus 1. Yeah. E square, sorry. 1 minus e square. You know the ellipse, 1 minus 1 by 13. So we get 13, 1 by 13. 13, 13 cancel. But b square equals to 12. We have to report in the equation. X square by 30 plus y square by 12 equals to, please take note of this. Answer is x square by 30 plus y square by 12 equals to 1. Next problem. The eccentricity of the hyperbola. Next one. If the eccentricity of the hyperbola x square by a square and the eccentricity of the hyperbola, let the eccentricity of the hyperbola, let the eccentricity of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equals to 1. Is equals to 1. Be the reciprocal to that of the ellipse. Then the eccentricity of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. be the reciprocal that to that of the ellipse. X square plus 4y squared equals to 4. X square plus 4y squared equals to 4. If the hyperbola passes through a focus of the ellipse, if the hyperbola passes through a focus of the ellipse, then take down the option. Equation of the hyperbola is x square by 3 minus y square by 2 equals to 1. Second, eccentricity of the hyperbola is root 5 by 3, square root of 5 divided by 3. Focus of the hyperbola is 2, 0. Equation of the hyperbola is x square minus 3y squared equals to 3. Then, so these are the 4 options are given. The conditions given here is the eccentricity of the hyperbola is the reciprocal of the given ellipse. So first of all, we have to find out the equation of the hyperbola. அதுக்கு என்ன தேவைன்னா eccentricity இருக்கிறது கண்டுபிடிக்கிற விஷயம் x square dividing by 4 x square by 4 plus y square by 1 equals to 1. This is the standard form of an ellipse. From this we get a square equals to 4 and b square equals to 1. A is equals to square root of 1 minus b square by a square, which is equals to 1 minus 4, which is equals to square root of 3 by 4. Therefore, the answer is root 3 divided by 4. Sorry, root 3 divided by 2. This is called the eccentricity of the ellipse. In render both are reciprocal. Again, the eccentricity of the hyperbola is reciprocal. 1 by E1 will get 2 by root 3. That is called eccentricity of the hyperbola. Okay, it can by fail. Root 5 by 3 answer 2 divided by root 3. 2 divided by root 3. And the equation of the hyperbola, focus of the hyperbola. இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ண focus of the focus of the eccentricity. Sorry, focus of the ellipse. Our focus of the ellipse and the ellipse passes through the ellipse. Focus. Foci அப்படின்னு சொன்னா A, E, 0. A வந்து 2. Sorry, இப்போ எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு A தெரியும். It passes to left. It passes to what? The foci of the eccentricity. So foci of the ellipse. So foci of the ellipse means AE, 0. அப்ப A வந்து 2 into E வந்து root 3 by 2, 0. இது one foci. Our root 3, 0. This foci is passes this hyperbola. So root 3, 0 passes through hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square. அதெல்லாம் சொல்லிருக்கா நான் eccentricity இந்த foci of the ellipse. It passes the equation of the hyperbola. I have taken the standard form of the hyperbola. It's x square by a square. Above x to the root 3 by a square. This becomes 0 equals to 1. From this we get a square equals to 3. Here eccentricity of the hyperbola is called ET, 2 by root 3. We have to find out b square. Your b square equals to a square into e square minus 1. Your a square is 3. E square 4 divided by 3 minus 1, which is equals to 3 into 1 by 3. Yeah, we'll get 3 into 1 by 3. That is your b value. A by we'll get b square. Yeah, hyperbola. Yeah, therefore we have the equation of the hyperbola in under the body. 3 cancel, which equals to 1. We know that a square and b square. The equation of hyperbola is x square by 3 minus y square by 1 is equals to 1. So taking LCM, x square minus 3y square equals to 3. So which means that fourth option is the right answer. Equation of the hyperbola is x square minus 3y square minus 3. Meaning all the focus of the hyperbola. Focus of the hyperbola. Foci of the hyperbola AE, 0. A வந்து root 3. இது வந்து 2 by root 3. 2, 0. Yeah. foci of the hyperbola is. So therefore the option is equation of the hyperbola is x squared by 3 minus y squared by 1. We'll get x squared minus 3y squared equals to 3. Please take out. Actually, foci is plus or minus 2. Yeah. So we'll get plus or minus 2 comma 0. But the right option is 4. Stop with the last one of this class. The area within bracket square units of the smaller of the two circles. The area in square units of the smaller of the two circles that touch the parabola. Smaller of the two circles that touch the parabola. Y squared equals to 4x at the point. Y squared is equals to 4x at the point 1, 2. 1, 2. And the x-axis is, again I repeat the question. The area, we have to find out the area of the circle without question. So we all know the area of the circle formula is pi r square. At last we are going to use the formula. Now, the area in square units of the smaller of two circles that touch the parabola y square is equal to 4x. At the point 1, 2 on the axis is, take down the options. 8 pi into 2 minus 2. Second option, 4 pi into 2 minus root 2. Third option, 4 pi into 3 plus root 2. Fourth option, 8 pi into 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay. So these are the 4 options given there. In the parabola, so this is the parabola we have. Yeah, in the parabola. If the parabola one circle touch out and also question of touch the parabola and the x-axis. This circle உள்ளுக்குள்ள இருக்கு. அது parabola-வை touch ஆகுது, x-axis-உம் touch ஆகுது. இந்த parabola-வும் circle touch ஆகுற point இது P of 1, 2. Is given that P of 1, 2. So that is called a common tangent of the parabola and circle. இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் ஒரு common-ஆ touch பண்ணுது இல்லையா? இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் touch பண்ணுது. It circle touch பண்ணுது. It also touches the parabola. That is a common tangent. That's why I told you this is called a combined conics or in the circle. Parabola and also straight line. So we have to use all the 3 properties. இப்போ முதல்ல என்ன தெரிஞ்சுச்சுன்னா சர்க்கிள் உடைய சென்டர் இங்க இருக்கும். இதனுடைய ரேடியஸை ஈஸியா கண்டுபிடிச்சலாம். பாருங்க, இந்த இதனுடைய ரேடியஸ் தான் தெரியுமா? இது எக்ஸ் உடைய வேல்யூ, இது ஒய் உடைய வேல்யூ. ஒய் கோஆர்டினேட் என்ன இருக்குதோ அதுதான் வந்து சர்க்கிளுடைய y கோஆர்டினேட் என்னவோ அதுதான் உங்களுடைய சென்டர் ரேடியஸ் ஆஃப் தி சர்க்கிள். இதுதான் ரேடியஸ். இப்போ பாருங்க, நான் சர்க்கிள் y ஸ்கொயர் = 4x கொடுத்திருக்கேன். நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆஃப் தி சர்க்கிள் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா முதல்ல டான்ஜென்ட் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அது டான்ஜென்ட் அதுக்கு ரிலேட்டடா தான் ஈக்குவேஷன் இருக்கு. நான் சொல்றேன், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணுங்க, ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆஃப் டான்ஜென்ட் இந்த parabola at x1, y. அதுதான் ஈஸி. என்ன ஃபார்முலா? y1 equals to 2a into x plus x1. 2a into x plus x1. இதுதான் formula. y1 is equals to 2a into x plus x1. என்ன கொடுத்தா parabola y squared equals to 4x. அப்ப இது வந்து a உடைய வேல்யூ என்ன சொல்லலாம், which is equals to 1. The x1, y1 இருக்கு இல்லையா, it passes through 1, 2. அப்போ at 1, 2. அப்போ y1, y into 2, 2 into a, 2 into x plus 1. We'll get the equation as எல்லாத்துலயும் 2 இருக்கு. இதை simplify பண்ணி பாருங்க. 2y is equals to 2x plus 2. We'll get x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is called tangent to the circle and also tangent to the parabola because this is common tangent. In the parabola tangent, circle tangent. அப்ப இத தனியா வச்சு இப்போ நான் equation of circle கண்டுபிடிக்கிறேன். If the tangent is given and the point one mark equation of the circle whose tangent is என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கா, x minus y plus 1 and passing through the point is given and the என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கா 1, 2. formula என்ன சொல்லுது, x minus x1 எல்லாம் கவனிச்சுக்கணும், x minus x1 the whole square plus y minus y1. எத்தனை பேருக்கு இந்த formula கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? If the tangent is given and the point is ஒருவேளை நீங்க பார்த்தோம்னா தயவுசெய்து நோட் பண்ணிக்கங்க. Equation of the circle tangent is given and passing through the points is given. X minus x1 the whole square plus y minus y square. Some scalar, I can take the scalar lambda plus tangent is equals to 0. உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு. X minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square plus lambda into tangent x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. If I do equation in terms of equation of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. So if the circle is given, then immediately I can take the center is minus g comma minus f, and the radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. We all know that. That is all basic, very important, fundamental things. Now expand this x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 4y plus 2 plus lambda into x minus lambda y plus lambda equal to 0. Now I'm splitting in terms of x, y, z. The x square plus y square will be written as it is. If I take x common, we have lambda here, lambda minus 2. If I take y common, here we have minus lambda, here we have minus 4. And the constant term is lambda 1 plus 4 which is equals to 2 square 4, 1 plus 4 which is equals to 5. This is of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here 2gx lambda minus 2. If you want to find out the center, your center is minus d, minus of lambda minus 2 divided by 2. Next, minus of already written minus of plus side on. This becomes lambda plus 4 divided by 2. Here are 2g of 2f. I want only minus g minus x. This is called your center. Using this center, we can able to find out the radius. Square root of g square plus f square. C is called lambda plus 5. Now, according to the diagram of the options in please don't have that. Then don't strike it out. In the circle, the circle here, the circle lies on the x-axis. Our lies on the x-axis. If any circle lies on x-axis, the radius is nothing but the y coordinate. Y coordinate is the y coordinate of the circle. The y coordinate, yeah, that is called the radius. Y coordinate of the center is radius. The y coordinate of the center is lambda plus 4. Yeah, y coordinate of the center is equals to the radius. Okay, your radius is lambda plus 4 by 2. You can write that this as lambda plus 4 by 2. That is called radius. Actually, radius in the formula, your radius is equals to minus lambda plus minus 2. G square plus f square minus c. G square lambda minus 2 by 2 the whole square. Plus inner square lambda plus 4 by 2 the whole square. Minus lambda minus 5. In the radius already, y coordinate தான் இருக்கும், அதுதான் radius. Inner y coordinate lambda plus 4 by 2. இதை யூஸ் பண்ணி நான் lambda using this I'm going to find out the lambda. So expand பண்ணுங்க lambda plus 4 by square. பாருங்க expand பண்ணலாம். Lambda plus 4 by 2 equals to இதை expand பண்றீங்க. கீழ பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 square 2 square. LCM மட்டும் 4 square root of 4 எடுத்தா 2. இதை expand பண்ணா lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 4. Lambda square plus 8 lambda plus 16. இந்த 4 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். அப்படியே விட்டுறக்கூடாது. ஏன்னா 4 உள்ள இருக்கு இல்லையா? அப்ப 4 minus 4 lambda minus 4 5 are 20. So in the 2 cancel. Lambda plus 4 is equal to minus plus 16 plus 4 20. 20 minus 2 cancel. Minus 4 minus 8 lambda plus 8 lambda. There one are 2 lambda square. Okay, well, we'll have 2 lambda square plus lambda which is equal to square root. It matters the square root of this. But the square root of 2 lambda. Squaring on this, we'll get lambda plus 4 the whole square equals to 2 lambda square. Therefore, lambda square plus 8 lambda plus 16 equals to 2 lambda square. Simplifying, we'll get lambda square minus 8 lambda minus 16 equal to 0. Using the quadratic equation formula, we are able to find out the lambda value. How we are going to find out the lambda value? See, your lambda is equal to minus b plus or minus 8 plus or minus b square 64 minus minus plus minus 16 into 4 again 64 divided by 2 into 8 2, which is equal to 8 plus or minus 128 by 2, which is equal to 8 plus or minus 8 into root 2 divided by 2. So 2 la divide panna we get 4 plus or minus 4 root 2. We get 4 plus or minus 4 root 2. So lambda value, lambda is equal to lambda plus 4 root 2. Lambda is equal to 4 minus 4 root 2. When I say this is called the smaller circle. The two circles are there. Smaller circle. Our smaller lambda equals to 4 minus 4. Larger or bigger mention what I get to. In the smaller circle, I have to take the lambda values 4 minus 4 by 4 root 2. So from this, center again. Center here, I have taken center as minus of lambda minus 2 divided by 2. That is called minus lambda plus 2 divided by 2. Center. The center is minus lambda plus 2 divided by 2. Come on. Next one, lambda plus 4 by 2. So now we substitute lambda value. Lambda is 4 minus 4 root 2. We got minus 4 plus 4 root 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Come on. The lambda is 4 minus 4 root 2 plus 4 divided by 2. We simplify for central condition. Our minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Yeah. Which is equal to minus 4 root 2 minus 2 divided by 2. 8 minus 4 root 2 divided by 2. In the left 2 all divide for it. Root 2, 2 root 2 minus 1. 2 root 2 comma minus 4 plus 2. Yeah. So we have minus 4 plus 4 root 2 plus 2 beta. So which is equal to 4 root 2 minus 2. After the next 4 minus 2, 8 divide by 4. 4 minus 2 root 2. This is the center. And the radius 7. The radius is the y coordinate. That is the lambda plus 4 by 2. In the reference of your radius is equal to 4 minus 2 root 2. Area the formula says that pi r square. Your pi into r square. Your r value 4 minus 2 root 2 the whole square. Your r square is equal to 4 minus 2 root 2 the whole square, which is equal to pi into expand 16 minus 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16 root 2 plus 8. We'll get pi into 24 minus 16 root 2. If you take 8 common, 8 pi is equal to 3 minus 2 root. That is the answer. Which option? End option, no? Which option is the right option? And option, fourth option is right. 8 by 3 minus 2. So if we have a solution of the or examination, this is very important point. The விஷயம் important விஷயம் is that equation of the circle passing through the pointer and having the tangent as the formula is x minus x2 whole square plus y minus y the base problem hold. அதுக்காக x minus x1 whole square, y minus y1 whole square plus lambda into the tangent is equal to 0. Okay, na? And also one more information from here is if any circle passes to the x-axis, then the y-ordinate is the center. If any circle passes to the y-axis, the x-coordinate is the radius, sorry, center radius. So with this we stop. Any doubt? Anybody having any doubt? We'll stop now. Please, any doubt you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll meet in the next class. Doubts will come up.
No, sir.
Any doubts? No doubt. Okay. So with this, we'll wind up the class. We'll meet the next class. Till then, bye from me. Still, we have some problems. I'll go today after immediate. I'll go for a new topic. Okay, va? In the topic on that day. Okay, va? So in the topic, போலாம். நீங்க நினைக்கிறீங்க anybody யாரும் சொல்ல முடியுமா என்னன்னு வேணும்? Sure. Girls யாரும் சொல்ல முடியுமா? Yes, choice போலாம். Okay, right. I'll do my choice. இல்லையா நீங்க என்ன சொல்லணும்? Please பண்ணலாமா class? Okay, meet in next class. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.